I want to talk to you guys straight up about what my strategy is with these meme token manias happening in the Cronos chain. Right now, there are so many tokens being released, and you're probably out there wondering, Crypto Kip, which one should I buy? And I'm not going to tell you guys which one to buy because you have to decide that for yourself. The larger the market cap, hypothetically, the less risk. The lower the market cap, hypothetically, more risk, potentially more reward. But there's a lot more to it, guys. You have to assess liquidity. Is there enough liquidity so I can have successful buys and sells when I want to take profit? Is there a lot of volume? Are people actually trading this token? Is there a community behind it? Are people hyped? But the main strategy I want to talk to you guys about today is what I'm thinking about when it comes to some of these tokens. I'm looking for a couple million market cap. I got a couple that are a couple $100,000 market cap. Those are much more risky, but there is a strategy to this that I want to highlight for you guys. And the key in my mind is trying to get into these tokens before listings, but also trying to pick a token that you actually believe deserves a listing, could or should get a listing, and that is speculation. So let's talk a little bit about it in this one, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. I fixed my mic, I think, so let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for all your feedback on that. And I also want to call out the people in the comments that mentioned that my last tutorial was a little lackluster on how to buy these memes. So I'm going to revamp that, and I'm going to do another tutorial, take more time with it, and try to do a better one for you guys on that at another time, not today. So today, let's focus in on where my mind is at with this, what my strategy is, my personal strategy, and please remember, none of this is financial advice. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and look at Bitcoin as it is above $63,000 today, back to $63,600, which is beautiful. Ethereum is back above $3,000, in fact, above $3,100 today. And the Cronos coin is up as well to 13.4 cents at a $3.5 billion market cap. I do expect CRO Coin, as we've talked about so many times, to go to $2 to $5 in this bull market, break its previous highs, and the recent Cronos meme action we've seen, I think, is very healthy for the ecosystem, so I'm very, very excited about that. Now, the strategy is as follows, guys. Well, I was looking at what was happening with Crow with Knife, and I was buying down here because I saw the community. I saw the excitement in the community by being on Twitter, by being a part of the Discord. You should be in the Discord for each of your tokens. I'm seeing similar excitement around this stuck in the pasta token with this mouse. I don't have any of it. I'm not going to buy this one either. Probably I might. I don't really know, guys. But I'm just looking for active communities, guys, and I'm looking for good liquidity. So first of all, when I was buying down here, Crow with Knife token, it had great liquidity. It had a couple $100,000 to start. It got up to $1 million liquidity very fast. And then once VVS Finance at one point owned a couple $1 million worth of liquidity, I felt very good about this token, and I felt like it was deserving of an exchange listing, and those exchange listings came, my friends. And so I'm trying to anticipate that at every corner. Now, this token has fantastic liquidity right now, and I don't know anything about this coin. I have not bought this coin, but this mouse stuck in the pasta coin with a $1.5 million valuation and 250K locked liquidity, that's pretty decent as well. And what's interesting is it has $2.3 million worth of trading volume. And I'm just going to use another token as an example here, like, I don't know. Let's see how, Crease is doing today. 249K volume. It's a decent amount of volume. Lock liquidity, pretty decent. I mean, again, do you like the community here? So these are some of the things that I look at, right? You want the liquidity to be a decent size relative to the market cap, okay? So this is something to consider and kind of decide for yourself, my friends, to decide if you want to get into any of these tokens. I'm trying to use one more as an example, not really any others that I see in here, but if you see a token that only has 2K liquidity, you're probably not going to want to get into that token because you're probably not going to be able to buy effectively, and you're definitely not going to be able to sell effectively, even if that coin does go up. So something to be cautious of. So again, we're looking for tokens with a good amount of liquidity. We're looking for tokens with a decent amount of volume to say, okay, that means people are actually trading this token on a daily basis. And then we're also looking to consider, do tokens have exchange listings yet? Like, I'm going to use Croak as an example. It's got 561K partially locked liquidity. It's got $6.1 million market cap, and it's got 867K trading volume on the day, almost $1 million of trading volume. pretty good. The community seems to be very strong just based on seeing what's going on Twitter and being a part of the Discord. And this is pure speculation, guys. I'm not associated with any of these teams. I'm not associated with any of these tokens. I'm just a speculator like you, trying to figure it out one coin at a time, one day at a time, one trade at a time. This has not gotten listed yet, alongside a couple others as well, like Fortune Favors the Brave, like the CrowFam token, and several others as well. And when I say listed, I'm talking about getting listed within the Crypto.com DeFi wallet to start. You want to see this kind of in this order. Typically, these coins are getting listed on VVS Finance first. That's a good start. Then, if they're very successful and the Crypto.com team and the Cronos Labs team likes those tokens, like they did with this DIP token, you knew that they liked this token. They basically propped it up themselves, the Cronos Labs team. So, of course, this got listed. And a lot of people were anticipating that. So, some people made some pretty good gains on that token. First, we see tokens get listed on VVS. Then, if they're successful or warranted for a listing, the Cronos Lab team catches attention of it, catches wind of it, and then they list it on the DeFi wallet. And then from there, you're wondering, okay, can it get listed on Crypto.com? Now, taking profit on an exchange listing is not a bad strategy. And personally, that's my strategy. But I like to keep moonbags. And so, a couple tokens that I'm looking at, that I'm holding, looking for a potential DeFi wallet listing would be, I don't know, maybe the CRO Coin, maybe CrowFam, maybe Fortune Favors the Brave, and several others. Too many to mention, to be honest with you. And full disclosure, those are ones that I hold. So I'm just using those as an example because I'm familiar with them and I think that they're going to get listings. And that's just speculation. I don't have any facts behind that. I don't have any reason to believe that, besides the fact that I see good trading volume, I see decent liquidity, and I see a decent community behind them. And so those are some of the things that I am looking at, and I'm trying to anticipate these moves. Or you can also look at other coins that are even bigger, like, for example, the Mystery Mary token, which again is $2.4 million trading volume, $1.6 million in partially locked liquidity, and an $18 million market cap. This token has not yet gotten listed on the Crypto.com app, but it's already on the DeFi wallet. It's already in VVS. And so naturally, people are wondering, can it get listed on Crypto.com? Maybe, if the community is strong enough and if the coin is strong enough, and the coin certainly looks strong. I would say if there's one coin that isn't listed on the CDC app yet, like the main app, could be something like this. And so these are the things that I'm just thinking about. I don't own any mystery token. I wish that I had bought it lower, but I didn't, and I don't want to buy it this high, and maybe that's a mistake, guys. You can't own them all. Another idea that I've been thinking about is I don't want to be in too many tokens. So as more of these memes come out, like this mouse stuck in the pasta, which is a hilarious looking meme, and I want to buy it, but I didn't, and I might not, I probably won't, we'll see. It's just a question of how many of these memes can I buy? I don't want to have 40 different memes. I kind of want to pick what I believe is the winner based on some of those things that I've been thinking about lately. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Just some thoughts for you on the day. As I said, Bitcoin's doing well. That's a good thing to see. Ethereum's doing well. Cronos is holding strong. So I think that these Cronos memes, as long as the broader market can stay strong, they can still have some life as people are speculating on some of these listings. I think that's something that you need to be aware of. Now, again, none of this is financial advice. These are just some ideas for you. I owe you guys another tutorial. I can do better than that. I'm going to do better than that because you guys deserve some excellent content, and that's what we want to provide for you here. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below with some feedback because I appreciate it. Let me know if the mic is fixed. I think that the gain was messed up on my mic. I touched it with my finger and I couldn't figure it out, but I think I figured it out. That's all I got in this one, guys. Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, guys, to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, folks. Peace.